Blue Ridge Property Buyers here with our latest deal in Wilkes County. Tax map number 2100057. This 10.94 acre property is located on Cane Creek Road just outside Hayes. The property is 75 minutes to Winston-Salem in Wilkes County, North Carolina. This beautiful wooded and large piece of land includes road frontage and would make a great building site or investment property. Just 5 minutes to Cane Creek. Not too far of a drive to the W. Kerr Scott Reservoir located in the beautiful Yankton River Valley. Also, you can go explore the enjoyable Stone Mountain State Park situated a half-hour away, where you can really engage and grasp some of North Carolina's best raw beauty and wildlife. Stone Mountain State Park is 14,000 acres of natural beauty. A few words that begin to paint the picture would be breathtaking, amazing, or undisturbed. Whether you're a serious climber or a recreational hiker, Stone Mountain State Park offers endless days of pure outdoor enjoyment. If you are looking to build a home or buy land as an investment, this is the perfect opportunity for you. We are going to wholesale this at a deep discount very quickly. Most of the deals we sell are priced at 50% or less of market value. What I need you to do is visit our website at landforsalenorthcarolina.com. That is www.land, L-A-N-D, for F-O-R, sale, S-A-L-E, northcarolina.com. Here you can sign up for our exclusive VIP buyers list and get access to all the deals we can find for you in the state of North Carolina. Again, if you are interested in buying land at deep discounts, go to landforsalenorthcarolina.com and sign up. If you're interested, we'll get you more information on this property, and you'll also receive email alerts of all the new deals we find. Until then, this is the Blue Ridge Property Buyers.